some big boy right there. Them bitches loud though, twin. I ain't gonna lie. What the fuck? Huh? It's about to blow up.
It already blew up.
No, already blew up. Oh, it ain't about to blow up no more. We got stuff. Yeah.
That's why anytime something.
Okay. What? We about to blow the city up. Shit, Jordan.
God damn, Jordan.
What you say?
Pull over Ash Cash. Watch.
What's good, y'all? I'm back. Back with another vlog, y'all. It is 4th of July, so I'm definitely gonna get some footage for y'all. I ain't gonna lie though. This 4th of July though, it gotta be the most turned 4th of July I ever had, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm going out, I'm shooting fireworks. I'm gonna try to stream. I'm getting drunk for sure. I'm gonna be teed. You already know me. I do tee up. I ain't shy. I ain't hiding, you feel me? But this is my first little 4th of July party in a long time though. But yeah, I just want to make this a vlog or whatever though. I ain't gonna lie. I am kind of doing this little live, KashTV Live. I'm gonna explain that later because it's like KashTV Live / a vlog channel / react. I'm just mixing content on this channel, KashTV Live. So make sure y'all sub up and make sure y'all subscribe. I get something to drink real quick. I don't know, what should I get? Should I get an energy drink? Or never, man? Should I get an energy drink or never? Do they sell alcohol? That's why I fuck with down here. They got alcohol in their fucking fridge, man. You feel me? Damn, they closed it. Let me get the motherfucking. Let me get me a twisted tea. Twisted tea. Can't go wrong with the twisted tea, man. The best thing that's ever been invented is the twisted tea, man. Fire. All right, good looks. 323. That's a cool little deal for the twisted tea. You feel me? Cool little deal. 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, though. Hopefully it's gonna be lit. I don't know if I did a drip check. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know if I did a drip check. I got 20, I make it. Watch this. Y'all think I'm gonna make it? Damn, I missed it. Come on now. It's because I'm holding the camera. Buckets. I told y'all. Fire. How y'all like my new shades though? I said these different from the last shades I had. The last shades I had was a little bit, can y'all see them? Was a little bit smaller, but I like this clear color. Like these clear color, bro. I fuck with that. And one thing about these shades, bro, these not like no expensive shades. They like decent price and shit. But I feel like they look dope. You feel me? I can buy any type of shades I want to. But I decide to wear, you feel me, some cool shit, bro. You don't gotta, you feel me, to dress nice or look nice. You don't gotta pay for the most expensive thing, though. You don't. And I think a lot of people get that mixed up, bro. Like, they watch Kash and that, and watch all these other YouTubers, and they be like, damn, I gotta buy this and I gotta buy that. What you don't have to buy, none of that shit. Facts. That's just how it is, though. Hopefully I can get some more clips for y'all, some more footage. Outside with it, man. Chilling. We about to blow the block down, man. About to blow the whole block down, man. And guess what's in my cup? Some fire shit. What'd you say?
Well, pull over Ash Cash. Watch.
Okay, we lit. Oh shit, they didn't got started. Oh, that's the little fire. Didn't lit the fireworks. It flew over past my face. It almost killed me. Nah, it ain't gonna kill me. I would be shooting the big dogs. Wait, we got some. Oh, this a big one. Oh shit. That's what I'm talking about. It's another one. Oh shit. That's what I'm talking about. You feel me? Cash in the building. You already know what it is, man. Already know what it is. We outside. 9, 10, 11. Oh, and one on the side. Oh. That's them big boy right there. Them bitches loud though, twin. I ain't gonna lie. Oh yeah. Y'all ain't see fireworks. Y'all see them today. Oh. Yeah, let me light one. Oh yeah, that's a big boy right there. We about to blow the city up. Yes, sir. Brought to you by E-Mass. All right, you ready? Shit, Jordan. God damn, Jordan. Oh yeah. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. 2 for $1. Oh yeah. 2 for $1, ski. Fire, hold up. That was called a triple threat right there. That was triple threat. There she go. The Super Sayer. Hold up, we gotta get this.
You ready?
It ain't ready for
We
this.
doing one at a time or both? Might would do both. I ain't gonna lie.
The Super Sayer.
Super Sayer.
And
Already, yeah.
And the Swaps bucket. Hold up, oh shit. Yeah. And that's how you do it, man. You already know, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. You already know what it is, man. You already know how we get down, man. Brought to you by D-Mans, man, in the building, man. You already know how to go. D-Money in the building, man. Normal. And that's the finale, man.
Get the drone.